Adjust the operation matters need attention. One. Under normal circumstances, the input, exit and protection mode switching of the relay protection device shall be completed by the operator on duty using the switch and pressure plate, and the secondary line head and the temporary line shall not be removed at will. 2. The doors of the protective cabinet shall not be opened or closed too hard. Any vibration work shall not be performed on the protective cabinet and the automatic device cabinet in operation. 3. Ensure correctly and in place when throwing and withdrawing the protective pressure plate. 4. The differential protection and heavy gas protection of the transformer in operation shall not be withdrawn at the same time. 5. After the regular inspection of the relay protection device is completed, the modification of the secondary protection circuit is completed, and before the new protection device is put into operation, etc., the ground potential of the upper and lower open ends of the protective platen should be measured. Stop continue on both sides. 6. When any side of the pilot protection, such as high-frequency blocking direction protection, high-frequency blocking distance protection, high-frequency blocking zero-sequence protection, etc., needs to stop the DC power supply, e.g., in order to find the power system grounding point, it must be dispatched first and request both sides to stop. 7. When disusing the complete protection device, all the protection platen on the protective cabinet should be out of operation, and then disconnect the automatic air switch of the protective device above the back of the protective cabinet, including the DC power switch and the AC voltage switch. The opposite order is observed when put into the protection device. 8. The deactivation of a certain protection function of the protection device refers to setting the function soft platen and operation mode control word of the protection function to 0 or exiting the functional hard platen and its outlet platen on the protection cabinet. When the protection function is provided with its own outlet hard platen alone. 9. The relationship between the disable recloser soft platen and the hard platen on the screen is or. When disable reclosing is set to 1, 3-phase tripping and blocking recloser for any fault, usually set to 0, the communication 3-phase tripping input is always valid regardless of the 1 or 0. 10. When the protected DC power supply needs to be disactivated, such as finding the grounding of the DC system, the protected main outlet trip pressure plate should be disconnected first, and then the protected DC power supply should be stopped. When recovering, the protected DC power supply should be closed first. When the device is not abnormal, the protected total outlet hard platen shall be input. 11. The complete microcomputer relay protection device should be out of operation. 1. The AC voltage, AC current, switching amount input and switching amount output circuit used by the microcomputer relay protection device. 2. Internal operation of the unit. 3. Enter the setting value for the relay protection personnel. Thank you for watching it.